Good day, everyone. My name is Arunda. I work with the Renewable Free Energy Foundation since 2001 in Canada. It is a coast-to-coast foundation, a national foundation that works on energies, meridians, all kinds, everything that is related to the energy. And energy that is renewable, energy that is made for outlets, energy that is made for the human body, and different types of energy. That is what the foundation is. People think that I make orgonites. Not at all. Did I start studying orgonites? Yes. About 20 years ago, when I was building orgonites at the beginning, I said there must be a way, there must be some kind of evolution that we could do, because orgonites come from orgone, which was in the main in the 50s with Wilhem Reich, and then it evolved in the 1990s with a guy called Carl Weiss, and then came me. And I studied, I was fascinated with the energy, so we created a different type of technology, which is called 5G and EMF Quantum Equalizer Technology, that works active or passive. So it's been 20 years. What is the difference with active or passive? Well, all our units for therapeutic use come with a cable, and with this cable you could branch it directly and plug it into a special transformer that is designed with us with a pure current, which is the amplifier. When you plug it, the energy becomes 1,000 times more stronger. There's a coil inside, it implodes and explodes in the energy, so it goes more profound. It is more like having a Californian massage, which is very soft, or if you go to your chiro, it goes like really deep in, so it goes really deep. Here we have once they're plugged for all the big tables, round or square, you have a red light flashing or non-flashing that comes with it that tells you that it is in active mode. Same thing with all the other units. If I plug our corporate models, which are smaller, they're made for work, we got all kinds of different technology. I'll branch it right away. The LED will be orange. It is a less powerful unit, but you can do a lot of miracles, you know? So basically, what is the difference? Once it goes inside the amplifier, when you have the 5G, it is really like a square sinus. So it implodes, like for the distortion, like in music, it is a square, which means distortion. The same thing happens with toxic frequencies like EMF, Wi-Fi, microwave. These waves are square. What does this do with the it is really four directions, as it has a positive side and a negative side. The energy explodes and comes back in and is transmuted, and the same thing happens on the other side, which is the negative side. And what it is transforming negative ions, which are the good ions for your body. So we develop a patent. It is a trademark also. And we finished this in 2021. We came with the active technology with a special transformer that gives a pure current. So our transformer are only made to work with Orgo-Life technology, units, pyramids, this, bracelets, you name it. We got all kinds of different projects. It is not orgonite. Mind you, I saw a lot of nice orgonites out there. Some people do nice jewelry, but the vibration coming out of it is very minimal, because they don't understand the technology. They don't even understand orgonites, and everyone is calling it orgonite. But I would say there is quite some nice work out there, nicer than us. What we're selling is not a piece of art. Mind you, I like them. I think they're very nice, the different models, and every model is unique. And what's unique about us is every unit has, for the batch, serial number, models, and everything. It comes with a 25-year warranty. That's how sure we are about our technology. We have tables here that I was doing and developing in about 2000, 2001. They still work. They're not orgonites. They are then the first generations of the OrgoLifes that I developed, you know. Am I the inventor and everything? I wouldn't say. I would say I'm more the conduit. That means I hear voices, I've listened, and I got inspired by voices coming from up there, and from there I developed and I produced. So I am the conduit, but I did produce it. Am I the inventor? I wouldn't take the full grant. But these units still work after 20 years. That's how we managed to come out and give a warranty that we're the only ones on the market that these units will work for 25 years. And if there's a problem, we don't run away at customer service. We are so happy to be with you. We have also the 5G Plus, which is made for the big city with six crystals in a cross and 2 coils. And it has something else. We don't talk about our technology. We keep it secret. They are patents, but they're not there to be devolved, but this works. What it does, it transmutes the current, and it takes a little time. We did an English video with 3 meters, which you could see on our page as well too. We have also the 5G UL3407, which is made more for the suburbans, countryside, where the Wi-Fi's and all the frequencies are not as strong as for the big city. There's a big difference on the crystals and everything, and on the size as well too. But you don't need this in the countryside. You just need the small one. Why pay? One per room will cover about 225 square feet. For the big city, this could be one per room for 225 square feet, or it could cover up to 450 square feet. So you got to check. You could ask us. We have official dealers. The people are being formed constantly on the technology, and if they don't have the answer, they'll call at the head office where we manufacture, and we will answer them. We have people that are certified and understand the technology and could help as well, or dealers. It takes quite a lot of time. We have all kinds of models, pyramids, 53 degrees, all active or passive technology. That means once I plug it in, I will get 1,000 times more energy. We have energy here in Magog where we're producing, and in Calgary, and it will cover up to 8 kilometers after certain times. It is like a vortex. We have 81 huge pyramids, and we have this. These are the first generations of a necklace we were building then in the 2000s, which still work very great, but we will be coming up with a special one that is very unique to us. You could feel it at 15 feet. When you go in these 5 to 7s, you got bad energies and everything. They're called Warriors necklace pendant, and they work fantastic. And they use also neodymium technology with it. So, and we have also models for plants for those who does like little growths. You put it for your plants. You could put it in an aquarium for your fish. You could put it in a cage for a snake, for a dog where he sleeps, a cat, or the plants. And we're going to be coming up very soon with special unit kits for those doing gardening. What it will do, your garden will grow a lot faster. It's called dome technology with the quantum equalizer technology as well too. And the dome technology is you put your huge dome in the middle of your square, let's say 15 by 15 feet. And the interior corners, because you don't want to put them on the corners, you don't need to cover at the exterior of your corner. So in the interior of your corners, you will have modules, and you'll have kits for 20 by 20 or 15 by 15, and we will explain with the different diagrams what we do. All of our technologies come also with the 25-year certificate, the instructions how to use, and you will be able to download on our site, her website that will open soon. For now, it is the Facebook page. We are overwhelmed. Since we launched OrgoLife in January of 2022 this year, we've been overwhelmed. We sold thousands of units. We even haven't launched a website yet. Can you imagine? Just from mouth to ear. I sell to 1 people, bang, 20 come back 2 weeks after, and they all want the technology. So we're trying to cover, hoping we will cover. So it is 7 days. When you order your OrgoLife, it is shipped within 7 days. That's the best we could do right now. And there might come a time, might be 1 month, because the demand is so strong. We don't know if we're going to be able to cover. All of our units come in special high pressure boxes. That means I could step on this box, it'll dent a bit, but it won't crush. You have also the original seal that it is an original product. You have your model number, and you have the panel on the back and in the front that explains to you what type of series you're buying. And from there you have many models. We already have, I think, over 20 models. When you open, you got also your special transformer, and here you have an ideal of a table and with the paperwork inside it. So OrgoLife is the way to go. What does OrgoLife have done? I've been sleeping with my table under the pillow for the last 4 months. I've been producing 40% more clearer, sleep less, have more energy, and we will have coming soon for June, we will start putting the first testimonies, but on video. So you will see real people. We're putting pictures, and what we will do is subtitle for English, and we will have also English interviews. So we're there for the English and the French people. We'll try to work Spanish as well. We're doing our best. Thank you so much for being with us with an OrgoLife presentation. Thank you.